Hi, my name's Ryan Taylor, and I'm doing my presentation on age-friendly communities. Bear with me as I'm having to adjust my format. I was not planning on presenting this way originally. So, my presentation specifically is on a retirement community in my neighborhood retirement community as a microcosm, so a small version of what an age friendly community should be, which is ideally the city, the entire city, as the age friendly community. So the WHO laid out, and the Ontario government follows, 8 key factors that make an age friendly community and what most communities should strive after. So the first one being outdoor spaces and public buildings. So this community is adjacent to trails maintained by members of the community, trails maintained by the city. There are also public buildings on site that hold their chapel. There are libraries throughout the city. There are community centers throughout the city. There are ample public outdoor spaces, public buildings for seniors, all available on the transportation lines. Transportation in the city is not necessarily affordable for all, which is room for improvement. However, the buses are somewhat accessible with hydraulics that raise and lower for curb height and accessibility for seniors. And this community has 3 bus stops. It has sidewalks that are plowed and accessible as well by the city. Housing itself is diversified within this community with single family dwellings, condos, and a long term care facility. And then again, this is the public building, which is the church and the meeting place and the gathering place. Now, all of these facilities are high on the social economical index, but if we were to imagine them spread out through the city as affordable living spaces for seniors, is what the ideal situation is, what we're striving for. So, affordable, subsidized housing for seniors on fixed incomes. Seniors that already own their own homes are often wanting to stay in them and maintain their independence. And then there are others who prefer more of a community based living or subsidized living, and those should be available throughout the entire city. Social participation, again, is done through their church, through their meeting places, through their dances. However, the city also relies on their activities and Kempenfest and cultural activities and street festivals and movies and evenings. All of it classic car shows, all for seniors to be available in social participation. Respect and social inclusion is often seen and illustrated through Remembrance Day celebrations at the Centigraph. Plenty of seniors are involved and participate in events and shown the respect that their generation deserves. Civic participation is another key factor, and it is available through seniors. There are the voting facility is done in the public meeting space here for elections. City Hall is accessible to seniors. It also broadcasts council meetings on public cable. RVH has volunteer positions. Simcoe Hospice does. Walmart provides low income greeting positions ideal for seniors. The seventh key factor would be communication and information. So, in a way, the seniors can use. This community provides newsletters. I know that. The city provides newsletters in the way of social media, which isn't necessarily accessible to elderly, but it is available on the websites. It is available often through newspapers. The city has and councilors have their budget to get the news out in newspapers, which are free delivery. So, and that is senior accessible. Communication is also done in this community by having flashing sign indicators on the streets that they're approaching a senior community as well. And the final point is community support service. Community support and health services, which again is provided by on-site nurses who are at the long-term care facility. There is a doctor's office at their public meeting area as well. But the city also diversifies, provides clinics throughout the city and a hospital facility as well. So community support and health services are available as well. The remainder of the presentation will be written and provided to the professor. So I hope everyone got a somewhat clearer understanding of what age-friendly communities are. That's it. Thanks, and have a nice day. Bye.